So today's topic is share your bad decisions and the lesson you have learned. So today I am going to share one of my incidents of my life where I took the bad decision. Hi, my name is Prince and I am going to tell you about a particular incident where I took a bad decision and the reasons also why I took that. Actually, what happened when I was in 12th class, after completing my 12th class, I got an opportunity to have a training program of Merchant Navy. My father was very much excited and he told me that, okay, that's fine. It's a very good course. After completing, you will get a job in Merchant Navy. So we went to a very good city named Ahmedabad. So I reached there, and before reaching, while traveling, I saw that a person was reading a magazine. I was a vivid reader actually. I like to read magazines and papers and books. So I thought that I should read that magazine also. So when I saw the cover page of that magazine, I saw that it was in English. So I couldn't muster the courage to ask magazine. I simply thought that I should not read because English is a very difficult language. So later, when we reached to the institute, I was in front of the director of the institute, and he was asking me lots of questions like, "What do you want to become? Tell me something about yourself, Prince. Why did you choose this course?" So I thought that okay, now I have to speak in English. But I was making sentences in my mind, but words were not coming out of my mind. And I could not speak. I simply said that, sir, क्या आप इंग्लिश हिंदी में बात करेंगे? मैं हिंदी में ही उत्तर दे पाऊंगा. So the director said, okay, that's fine. So actually I was started fearing. So later on, suddenly what happened, one of his students came into the office and he started talking with him in English. So the director also started talking and they both were talking very fluently. So I thought that okay, this course is going to be difficult for me. I cannot do this course because I don't know how to speak English. So later on, I took my father aside and said that, Papa, I can't do this course. We will lose the money. And when I took him to another room, I saw that that room was a classroom. And I saw that there is a whiteboard there and all the physics and chemistry formulas were written on that. So I was afraid and I was completely frightened. And I said that if I get the admission here, I will lose my money, my time also. So I asked my father to return and said that okay, we are not going to do this course. I am not going to live here and I can't live without you and mummy, something like that. My father stood behind me. He supported me a lot, so he didn't say anything. He didn't say anything. And we returned. And I was completely, I was not disappointed actually. My father was little bit disappointed. My father, but he didn't tell me, he didn't say me a single word. But now I think that I should have taken the admission there. Had I taken the admission there, my life would have been different. My life would have been drifted to another place. I could have learned lots of things. I could have learned English. I could have got the admission maybe in the Merchant Navy. I could have changed my career. Right now I am whatever I am doing right now. I would have changed that. And at least I would learn the dunyadari also, because I didn't get out of my home till that period. So my biggest lesson is that what I learned from this incident is that whatever opportunity you get, just grab that. You never know that opportunity will take you where you don't know. So always be ready to get the opportunity and always be ready to take the opportunity. So this is my biggest lesson. Thank you.